Today I'll be teaching as to how to insert a signature and create an e-certificate. So the certificate should be created in a Word format. So once this is created, we have to convert into JPEG format. For that, you have to go to the website image.online-convert.com and later choose your files. So choose the file. My file is in the desktop and it is in the name of participant. So participant certificate, which is in the Word format, and click open. So once when it is open, so it starts converting, you have to press the button start conversion. When this is done, the downloading is over, queued is over, processing over, so everything is being done. So you have to download the certificate. The certificate has been automatically downloaded and it will be in your download section. Next, you have to sign in a white paper and scan it. Later, save it in JPEG format. So you can see the sign over here. Now you have to reduce the size of it. For that, go to open, click over it, select paint and just scroll it down. Later, select. You can draw a box over the sign. Once this is done, with the help of right tab, cut it and move on to this icon and click new. You need not save it and just paste it over here. You can minimize it by pulling it up and you can reduce the size. So once this is done, you have to save it as JPEG picture. You can give a name for it as Shobha and you can save it. Next, you have to insert the signature in JPEG file. For that, open the website called watermark.ws and click enter. So once you enter, you have to create a folder and give a name for it. So I am giving a name, say Shobha, and I am adding the folder. Once the folder is being created, so you can see the name appears. You have to select your JPEG file, that is your participant certificate. So I am just selecting it. So your participant certificate should be in JPEG format. So I am just clicking over it and I am just clicking open. So the file is getting imported. So the file appears over here. Later, click edit. So you can see your certificate appears. Later, click watermark, click logo, and later click import logo. That is the signature part. So that also should be in your JPEG format and click open. So your signature appears. So you can minimize your signature slowly like this and you can bring it down and place it over here. And once you are done with the work, you have to apply. This you can skip. Once you have skipped, you can click finish. So once this is done, you have to download it. So I am downloading it. So the file gets downloaded. Now we have to create the format of the e-certificate with the help of Google Slide. For that, you should have a Gmail account and click Google Apps. From there, scroll down to Google Drive. Later, click New. Move on to Google Slides. Later, click Insert Image. Upload from computer, that is a participant certificate which we had converted into JPEG format. So you have to select the participant certificate which is in JPG format and click Open. So the certificate appears with the signature. Next, click the text box and create a box over here. Create a bigger box so to include the names of person who has got a whose name is very long. Next, after creating the box, with the help of Shift key, put the double bracket and type as full name, and with the help of Shift key close the brackets, give a gap, and next with the help of Shift key again a flower bracket and click other identifier, and close the flower box. Again here also the same thing, you have to type it as other, first you have to with the help of Shift key put the brackets, then type other identifier 2 and close the brackets. So when this is done, it will get automatically saved. So we can leave this. Now again we are getting back to new. We are going towards more. From there, Google Forms. Now we'll just give a simple title because it is just for a video. Feedback. These are required. You have to type the name of the person, so it is in a short format. Answer, click required, then click add question, type designation, and again it is a short answer. This is also required, and next again insert this and type institution. That is also a short answer. This is also required. And later what you have to do is you have to get back, click adds on, click Certify M, enable Certify M in this, get started, so this Certify M appears. Now the certification is off. Now you have to turn it on by clicking over it. Now we have to wait. Now if it is a quiz, you can give a percentage for it, either 50 or 60 or something. But if it is a webinar, you have to give a 0% because you have to give for every person the certificate. So in my earlier video, I had shown as to how the mark has to be assigned. So in this video, I have chosen 0%. So for the template, I've already designed one. I'm going to use a custom template. So I have to select a new file. So I can select this, save changes. So the template appears, the untitled presentation. You can also name it. Since I have not named it, is come as untitled presentation. Later you can close it. After that you have to send. So if you have got email, you can paste all the email address and you can send. If you don't have, you can click the link over here. You can shorten the URL. You can copy it. And later you can go to the WhatsApp and you can send it to people or a group. So I am just sending it over here. And later I am clicking this link to see whether it is working. So I'll be typing my email ID as shobhajitan@yahoo.com. My name is Shobha. My designation as associate. Now if the participant does a mistake, the mistake will lie on the participant and not the host. So you need not worry. So it is left to them. They have to type it correctly. So once this is done, you have to submit. Now I will get a printable certificate. For that I have to go to my Yahoo mail because that mail was given. So it has not appeared. I'll just refresh it. It will come within a second. You can just wait for a few seconds. You'll get one. It's taking much time. It might be some network issues. The certificate has come. Now we have to check it out. So I am downloading it here. So once my certificate gets downloaded, I can open it and see whether the required fields has been filled. So it has come, Shobha Associate. So why this has come down is because the box is not being set properly. That's why these two has come little down. So we have to set the box equivalent to with these sentence, then only the box will appear correctly. Hope you are clear with this video. Thank you for listening.